Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you honest reviews of the best products out there. Today, we're talking about the best clear flat push pins, the 120 count premium clear push pins by KIAFUM. If you've been searching for the perfect push pins to keep your photos, documents, and artwork securely fastened, you've come to the right place. These clear push pins are a game changer for anyone looking to keep their space organized without compromising on aesthetics. The transparent design makes them virtually invisible on your board or wall, allowing your pinned items to shine through without any distractions. Whether you're setting up a photo wall, organizing your office, or decorating your classroom, these push pins will hold everything in place without taking away from the look of your display. What makes these push pins stand out is their durability. Made with a sharp steel point and a sturdy plastic head, these thumbtacks are designed to last. They're not easily bent or broken, ensuring that they'll stay strong and reliable through repeated use. Whether you're pinning up light posters or important notes, you can trust these push pins to hold tight. The pack comes with 120 push pins, which is more than enough to tackle various organizing and decorating tasks around your home or office. Each pin is reusable, and thanks to their rust-resistant design, they're built to last without losing their quality over time. Whether you're using them on corkboards, bulletin boards, foam boards, or calendars, these push pins are versatile and perfect for a wide range of surfaces. Not only are these push pins functional, but they also offer safety features. Their flat heads prevent the risk of snagging or scratching, and they're easy to insert into a variety of surfaces, making them ideal for both home and office environments. Plus, they come in a convenient pack of 120, giving you a reliable supply for all your needs. In summary, if you're looking for a high-quality, versatile, and discreet way to pin up documents, photos, or artwork, the KIAFUM clear push pins are the best choice. With their sturdy design, clear appearance, and long-lasting durability, they're a must-have for any space. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the best products out there.